Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you like my video, it would mean the world to me. Anyway, today's video I'm going to show some techniques to use cat eye or magnetic gel in conjunction with those tiny little magnets that you get usually to use with tip cutters. In this video I use 4 standalone silky magnetic polishes which are by Kirsty Meakin, and I also use a holographic cat eye gel which is by Born Pretty. I use this over black nail polish just to show different techniques and styles of cat eye polish. The first gel magnetic polish I'm using is called Under the Sea by Kirsty Meakin. It is pigmented and you are able to use it on its own. You don't have to put it over another colour, although you can for a different effect. What I'm doing is I'm going up and down each side with a magnetic wand that I have, also by Kirsty Meakin. This will bring out the sparkle or the zhuzh. Once this is done, I cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. This cat eye or magnetic polish is absolutely fabulous. Look at how the particles move. The magnetic wand is really good as well. Once this nail is cured for 30 seconds, I'll remove it from the lamp and I'm going to paint the second nail with a colour called Ocean Waves, which is a darker blue colour, also by Kirsty Meakin, and is a silky cat eye that you can use on its own without having to go over a darker colour, although you can for a different effect. Once I've painted this nail, I bring out the zhuzh again with a magnetic wand by moving it up and down each side of the nail. It's great that you can visibly see the particles moving. This nail will then go into the lamp for 30 seconds and I can get on with the exciting design on the first nail. What happened there was I got the magnets too close to each other and they've all tangled together, so I'm just separating them. Now I'm bringing out the zhuzh on the second nail. I absolutely love these HEMA-free polishes. They are absolutely great. Yes, you do pay a little bit more money for them, but they are great quality. You can use real thin layers and it does go a lot further. Now I've got 4 little magnets in like a diamond shape on the spatula, and I'm going to show you the design. It makes almost like a wave design. Firstly, I do a design and I'm not happy with it, so I decide to reset it by wiping the brush off in the gel pot and just brushing over the layer of gel again, and then trying again with the magnets. That's the beauty of gel. You can carry on playing with it until you cure it to your heart's content. My second attempt with the little magnets, I used the spatula at a slanted angle, and I'm actually happy with how the design looks the second time round. So I go ahead and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. I actually bought these magnets from Temu. It was a pack of 50. I will try and link them down below. I have had them a while and I just decided to play with them with the magnetic gel to see what the effect would be, if any, because obviously some magnets don't work with a magnetic polish. I just thought I'd have a little play and see what happened. So although you can see the effect is there, I'm not happy with it, so I reset it and start again. To reset it, all you've got to do is make sure you wipe off your brush in the gel pot, just so you don't add any extra gel, and just smooth it all out and start again. I haven't been able to post many videos lately but I'm hoping to post more frequently in the future. I've now got my own nail room as one of my sons moved out and I converted it into a nail studio. I'm not currently taking clients, but it's nice that I've got my own space so I can do my own thing where nails are concerned, as it is my real passion. I actually qualified as a nail tech back in November 2023, but then a couple of months later in March last year I had a total hip replacement. So I took quite a few months out and it took me a while to get my my mojo back for doing nails. I'm actually on the waiting list to have the other hip done, so I'm hoping that I'm not going to be taking too much of a break, but we'll see. Just got to play it by ear really. But I'm hoping I can get a few videos done in advance so there isn't too much of a break on my channel. Once this second layer is painted on, using this beautiful blue Ocean Waves colour, I'm going to bring out the zhuzh using the magnetic wand. I've reset the 4 magnets to like a square shape, which you will see. This will make a slightly different design on the nail. Once I've brought out the zhuzh and I've got the wand ready in the square shape, I hold the magnets close to the nail but not touching the nail for about 5 seconds. I actually move it down the nail a couple of times to create the pattern. I'm actually pleased with it, so I cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So once that comes out the lamp, I get the next colour ready, which is called Lilac Lady. It's a beautiful lilac colour, also by Kirsty Meakin. So again, I paint the first layer of the gel onto the nail and bring up the zhuzh by using the magnet up each side. I also then cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. What I'll do now is I'll put some music on and let you watch, and I'll come back to you when I'm at the stage of the mini magnets for this now. So this time I'm just using 3 magnets in a line on spatula just to see what the effect is. I think I'm actually quite pleased with this one. It creates like almost like circles down the nail. I apply it twice to have the full effect, which I'm actually pleased with, and I put it straight in the lamp for 30 seconds. So for the fourth now, I'm going to be using a holographic pink cat eye gel by Born Pretty. I actually using it over black, which I've pre-painted the nail using Kirsty Meakin's black, which is called Void. So I got this Born Pretty holographic cat eye gel a little while ago. It actually has like a rainbow effect, which is very, very pretty, but you've got to really use it over black or a dark colour for the full effect to show. Well, in my experience anyway. I only have one Born Pretty cat eye gel, but I do actually like it. I think I bought it from Amazon. It comes in quite a big bottle, and also you get like a little magnet with it, like a little cylinder magnet. I'll try and link it down below. Once I bring out the zhuzh of this polish, you can really see the rainbow effect within it. It really is very, very pretty. I'm again using the 3 magnets on the spatula for this. Look at that rainbow effect. It is absolutely amazing. Anyway, I'm using the 3 little magnets on the spatula, but I'm going to use them on a slant and use them down the nail, repeated several times. I'll put on some music and let you watch. For the 5th and final now, I'm using this beautiful green cat eye called Frosted Apple, also by Kirsty Meakin. I'll again put on the music and I'll come back to you when I get to the little magnets bit. This is an absolutely beautiful green and it's going to be fantastic for St. Patrick's Day. For this one, I've got a little bit more daring and using 6 magnets in a 2x2 slanted formation on the spatula. I'm really, really pleased with the design. It's a bit different, but you know, you've got to like experiment, I think. Otherwise, it would be boring. So here I'm going to show you the 50 magnets in my hand. They're tiny little things and they're relatively cheap, which I got from Temu. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the glossy top coat on all 5 nails. I will again put the music on while I do this and let you watch. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and learning these techniques. It was really just a little bit of an experiment as far as I was concerned. I just wanted to see out of curiosity whether the little magnets would do anything with cat eye gel. I'm quite happy with the results. I probably will use it on the actual nail set, but I'll see in the future. But for now, I've enjoyed doing this. It's something a little bit different, as I said. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye for now. Love you lots.